Hello sellers, are you ready for an energetic realtor that has an active marketing plan for you? My name is Brittany Zapitz with LPT Realty. I have a 28-page marketing plan to help you get your home sold in a short amount of time for top dollar. In my marketing plan, it includes a 168-piece listing power box. On the home for sale sign, there will be a custom rider so buyers can contact our team 24 hours a day. We contact your closest neighbors with just listed cards so they know your home is on the market. We mail out thank you cards to anyone that visits us in our weekend open houses. We provide you with your own stack of business cards with custom pictures of your home so you can tell your friends and family that your home is on the market. In addition, we have extra business cards that we can leave around different coffee shops in the area, along with just listed cards that we put in coffee shops and restaurants. We door knock all of your local neighbors to let them know that, again, your house is on the market in addition to the just listed card that we just mailed them. We have just listed postcards front and back in the property so we can hand out to buyers during the open house and realtors and buyers that preview your house for showings. And this is my favorite flyer in the listing power toolbox. It is a neighborhood report that shows airports, hospitals, restaurants, and everything that's nearby your property. Again, I'm Brittany Zapitz with LPT Realty. If you are a seller looking to sell your home, I'd love to help you achieve top dollar on your property. If you're a realtor wanting more marketing material like this for your listings, please comment below, DM me, inbox me. I'd love to help you with all of your real estate dreams. Thank you and have a great day.